नमस्कार।
आज आज के दौर में इतने सारे अवार्ड्स सेरेमनी होते हैं, फिल्म को रिलेटेड, टेलीविजन को रिलेटेड, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि फिल्म फेयर थोड़ा सा वैल्यू खो देगा अगर इतने सारे अवार्ड्स होंगे तो? जबकि फिल्म फेयर काफ़ी प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड है, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट, लेकिन अगर इतने सारे अवार्ड्स होते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को लगता है इतने अवार्ड्स होते हैं फिर वाई फिल्म फेयर?
देखिए, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगता कि ऐसी कोई बात हो सकती है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं, बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स हैं, टेलीविज़न का अभी गेम है, टीआरपी का सिलसिला है, तो ऐसा है कि बहुत सारे ऐसी चीज़ें होंगी, लेकिन जो असली सोना होता है उसकी परख तो जौहर ही कर सकता है, इसलिए मैं आया हूँ परख करने। तो आई हैव अ फीलिंग कि आई थिंक बहुत सारे इवेंचुअली आई थिंक जहाँ भी देख लो जितने सारे एलिमेंट्स हैं, और उन सब एलिमेंट्स की इज़्ज़त मैं करता हूँ, सारे अवार्ड सेरेमनीज की इज़्ज़त करता हूँ, क्योंकि लोग देखते हैं, परखते हैं, सराहते हैं टेलीविज़न पे। लेकिन इसका ये मतलब नहीं, जैसे मैंने कहा, कि इवेंचुअली मुग़ल आज़म ही रहेगी और फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड ही रहेगा। ये चीज़ें नहीं बदलती।
करण सर, एक और चीज़ है, आपका काफ़ी लंबा और सक्सेसफुल करियर रहा है पिछले कई सालों में, तो आपने कई जगह शूटिंग की होगी फिल्म की, छोटे शहर में, बड़े शहर में, लेकिन रिमोट एरियाज़ में शूटिंग काफ़ी कम होती है फिल्मों की जी। तो झारखंड गवर्नमेंट ने 2 करोड़ का सब्सिडी दिया है ताकि वहाँ उस रिमोट एरिया में आके लोग फिल्म बनाएं, फिल्म मेकर्स फिल्म बनाएं और उसका फ़ायदा उठा सके। तो वुड यू लाइक टू कांग्रेचुलेट झारखंड गवर्नमेंट बिकॉज यू सच
यस आई वुड। जहाँ हमें सब्सिडी मिलती है, जैसे यूपी गवर्नमेंट ने भी, या आप कह रहे झारखंड गवर्नमेंट ने भी, ये मैंने पढ़ा था कल, और आई थिंक कि हमारे देश में ज़्यादा शूटिंग करना हमारे लिए भी बहुत आसानी होगा। और जैसे दंगल रिलीज़ हुई हाल में, एंड जिस तरह उन्होंने कैप्चर किया है हार्टलैंड इंडिया को, वो शायद ही बहुत कम फिल्मों ने किया है। तो जब ये हमें बुलाते हैं, हमें ये न्योता भेजते हैं, तो उसका ऑफ कोर्स हम बहुत आभारी हैं, और हम चाहते हैं कि हम ज़्यादा फिल्में वहाँ हमारे देश में बनाएं, देश की कहानियाँ और बताएं।
Can I request you to just congratulate the Jharkhand government for this initiative as such?
Sorry?
For this initiative, can you congratulate the Jharkhand government?
Can I say what?
Congratulate.
I'd like to congratulate the Jharkhand government for giving us this tremendous platform for us to represent. And I'd like to congratulate you for being so intense about the whole experience.
Hi, Karan, right in front of you. Hi, yeah. You have, as you mentioned, won all of 2 Filmfare Awards, and you've enjoyed some immense critical and commercial success as a filmmaker. To you personally, which of the 2 matters more, or what do you hold in higher regard as a filmmaker, the critical success and being awarded for the film, or the commercial success as a producer?
I have bills to pay, yaar. I have a company to run. I need to make the money. When I make a film, I'm not here, I'm here to do something different, but along with that, I'm also here to make the money so that I can make more films. The only reason why I wish that money is not to stock it in my bank or to go and, indulge in immense luxury. It's for me to make more films, tell more stories. That's the only reason why I feel the commerce, for me, sometimes outweighs the art. But having said that, the balance is what I achieve. And I want the critical acclaim as well. It breaks my heart when I read bad reviews, and I read all of them. मैं सबके reviews पढ़ता हूँ. I know exactly who said what, and I take that criticism in the right spirit. I don't think there are people out there to get me personally, and if they haven't liked it, they genuinely may not have liked it. I'm obsessed by critics. I read everything. I want the acclaim. I want the money. I'm like everybody, every one of you in this room. I want it all. Sometimes you don't get it all. Sometimes you suffer on one of the 2 accounts. But having said that, the endeavor is to really get everything. But if you're asking me to choose, then of course I want my film to. But then, these days it's not an either-or scenario. If your film is strong, it will make the money and get the reviews. It will, and that's what's been happening right through this year. If you see films like Kapoor and Sons and Mirja and Pink and now Dangal and Ae Dil Hai Mushkil included, I mean, all of them actually won acclaim and therefore made the money. So right now there is not a choice. It's actually following a very seamless line.
Alia, hi. So, a similar question to you. As an actor, which of the 2, if you had to choose, a performance, for example, like Udta Punjab, which got you all the plaudits, or a film like Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, which enjoyed such immense commercial success, if you had to choose, which one of these would you choose? Or would you, again, like Karan, walk the line between the 2?
Yeah, I think I agree with Karan that I think I've also come at a time where they kind of go hand in hand. Like they say, content is king. So if your film is good, it will do well. For me, it's about the love, and I'm not completely close to criticism. I don't read too many reviews, but sometimes like people send me things and I read it. I feel like it's important also for you to be able to get the love, but also get the hate. I mean, hate is a strong word, but you have to balance it out. So somebody may love your film, but at the same time, somebody may not like it. So you have to be open to that completely. So I am open to that. I may feel bad maybe from time to time, but it's not like it's like it pulls me away completely. But yeah, I think for me, they both go hand in hand. Love is king. Like when I'm traveling at airports and random people come up to me and just literally just to talk to me about my character and my film, that's what I think means the most to me.
I have to tell you one more thing about Alia. She's truly detached from all of this, but she definitely tracks the reviews in as much as she'll quickly go and see what's written about her. So okay.
I think I have a little part to play, because I think from the very beginning I've always trained them to read. I've given her names of reviewers that she may not have even heard of, and now she goes online and checks. Because I'm like, you have to read the written word. You have to believe what people say, because opinions define us. And I think if we don't take opinions, then we are actually going to be deluded and live in an island where no one wants to visit us. You must know that if something's good about you, there's also things that are not. And you have to be able to improve what's not. If you really don't believe it, that's called delusion. If you believe, accept, and honor and acknowledge it, that's called being progressive as an artist.
Karan, here, I have a question. Karan, we all love your show, Coffee with Karan, and it's getting amazing response since the beginning. But recently, Govinda in an interview expressed, like, he's upset that you have never invited him on his talk show, and he said that, I don't know why, but I want to be on his talk show, but you have never invited him. Would you like to respond to his statement?
I have not invited him, no. I think there was a talk about getting him on the show in between, and it didn't seem to, probably at that time, I think we had thought about it and ideated. It would be an absolute honor and privilege to have Govinda on the show. I will. I mean, my apologies that he hasn't been and that he's felt upset about it. There was no intention to hurt him. He's a terrific artist, a great movie star, and I would love to call him. And thank you for passing the message on. Now I will take note and invite him, and I hope he accepts my invitation.
We have time for just two more questions.
Just on the topic of chat shows, I think you'll all be very happy to know that our own Jitesh is pioneering in his own chat show. It'll be called famously Filmfare. Coincidentally, the lady on my left, Alia, has done the pilot shoot with him, and it's come out fabulously. Coincidentally, again, we're in very advanced stages of closing our discussion with Jio, and Jio will be supporting us in this endeavor as well. Coincidentally, that will also be on television channel. It'll just not be on Star World, because we don't think we'll be able to rival Karan's accomplishments on World. But it'll be on an English general entertainment channel. So soon Karan will have Jitesh giving him company and hosting his own chat show.
And I hope I get invited.
Please do. That'll be the best.
Sorry? That's not been decided yet. We're still ideating. We're still on the creative stage. But it'll be nice. And either way, I won't reveal. I want it to be a surprise. नहीं एक्चुअली जैसे करण ने कहा कि फिल्म फेयर इतिहास से जुड़ा है. आई रिमेंबर सिटिंग विद माय मॉम एंड माय सिस्टर. हम लोग बैठते थे और उस टाइम पे गेस करते थे कि कौन जीतेगा. अभी तो पता चल जाता है मिनट, मतलब अवार्ड मिलने से पहले ही पता चल जाता है किसको मिल रहा है. सो एट दैट टाइम, not film fair, I'm talking about in the digital age, people just tweet it immediately, whoever's gotten it. But when that time we used to not know, so we used to wait कि अभी किसका performance आएगा, now who will go on stage. And I would love looking at the people's expressions when the name is announced. That was my favorite part. कि आपका expression क्या है जब आपको दिया गया है, क्योंकि वो priceless expression होता है. Even when I watch the Oscars or something like that, that one expression is priceless. So
I wanted to say something after you.
So do I.
What do you have to say?
So I have to say, you finish.
No, say, I'm done now.
So it was the year of Queen, and Alia had come with Highway. And she had no clue that she was winning the Critics Award. And this is the first time I saw, that was Alia's first award. I saw genuine surprise, and I mean, Kangana won the Popular Award for Queen as the Best Actress, and Alia won. So I mean, it was see her childlike glee when, you know, where she spoke about Karan, and it was amazing. So these moments are really, I think, what make Filmfare.
Yeah, I agree.
And I have to tell you that I just realized that since 1990, there's not a single Filmfare award I have missed. Till right up to 2017, I've attended every award since 1990, which was like whenever I was old enough to attend it with my father. In fact, I think maybe 89, I'm not sure, but I think I've not missed a single Filmfare award.
He's the Yash Chopra of Filmfare Awards, because even Yash ji never missed a single Filmfare award. Whether he won, didn't win, or whatever, he never missed a single Filmfare award.
And I have been there right through, and in all kinds of roles. I just kept moving ahead, which was great. I was right at the back, I think, in 89. And then now I find myself on the front row. So that's my biggest, I think, trajectory in life, is how I moved up in the rows of Filmfare. It was actually corresponding with my film journey.
His debut as a host, I must say, started with Filmfare, where he had 6 dress changes.
I mean, I thought and some wrong cue cards were given to me, which is the funny story.
But I must say, my first Filmfare experience when student release, Sid, Varun and I, we sat for the full show. And I really want to do that once again, because what happens now is, you know, you come in late and then you sit and then you have to go backstage, you have to perform, you can't see the whole show. That year we were, you know, we were just sitting and watching the show from start to finish. So I really hope that I can do that again, maybe this year, when I'm performing this year, but some year. I have no one to decide, who will win. नहीं, I don't think मैं ऐसे ख्यालात रखती हूँ कि मुझे लगता है इस के होगा, मैं बोर्ड बनाऊंगी, ये डायग्राम बनाऊंगी, ये कैलकुलेट करूंगी. जैसे कि करण ने कहा, अगर मिलेगा तो मिलेगा, अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं मिलेगा. एंड अगर इस साल नहीं मिलेगा तो अगली साल मिलेगा, ये साल नहीं मिलेगा तो उसके अगले साल. But eventually it will come if you're at it.
तो मैंने कब कहा कि कॉफी विद करण कोई सीरियस शो है? तो जो उन्होंने कहा वो सीरियसली बिल्कुल नहीं लेनी चाहिए. हंसी मजाक की बातें होती रहती हैं उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, उस शो पे. सीरियसली लेना क्या, लोग बहुत समटाइम्स कुछ लोग ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव या टची हो जाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक हम जो बातें करते हैं वो फ़न की बात, मेरे ऊपर भी बहुत सारा मजाक उड़ाया गया है. एंड जस्ट द वे आई डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली, नो शुड समबडी एल्स. मैं कोई अपनी तारीफ थोड़ी करता हूँ. आप इनफैक्ट मैक्सिमम गेस्ट आते हैं मेरी बुराई करते हैं खुद अपने शो पे, और मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब कोई मेरी बुराई करता है, क्योंकि इट्स मेंट टू बी डन इन विद अ गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर एंड इन कंप्लीट गुड स्पिरिट. तो सीरियसली तो बिल्कुल नहीं. कहाँ कॉफी विद करण सीरियस शो हुआ तो हो गई हमारी. अगर सीरियस तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. इट्स अ हैप्पी टॉक शो. लोग आते हैं, बात करते हैं, चले जाते हैं, और अगले हफ्ते की कंट्रोवर्सी का इंतजार करते हैं. नहीं, मुझे तो आपने मिसाइल बना दिया है. किसको मैं लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ. अरे भाई, खुद अपना काम मैं कर रहा हूँ, खुद मैं बस टिका रहा हूँ, वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. दूसरे करियर्स के बारे में मैं सोचता रहा तो पागल हो जाऊँगा. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे एक्टर्स को हम पेश करना चाहेंगे बड़े पर्दे पे. तो लॉन्च तो खैर बात की बात है. लॉन्च करते करते मैं ही टेक ऑफ ना हो जाऊँ.
Thank you so much, members of the media, for joining us. Wishing you an advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Obviously, we're looking forward to the 62nd Jio Filmfare Awards 2017. Thank you for joining us here today.